Hey there everyone, welcome back again to Engineering Preetham. In this video, we will be talking about how we can unload filament from A1 Mini, and especially this is useful when you want to change your filament and if you are very new to 3D printing world. So here what we need to do is we need to tap on filament and then you're gonna see this option which is unload. So let's click on it and you can see that there is a Z-axis movement, and now you're gonna see these 4 steps. All here you need to do is you need to wait till it heats the nozzle. Once the nozzle is heated enough, I think it will do its job. So let's see what it does. It first of all checks the filament location, then cut it automatically by going here, and then now it is reversing back the filament, and now it is asking us to pull the filament. So let me now pull the filament back from the roll, and we can see that the filament is going out of this tube. And in this way guys, we can unload the filament from Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Hope you like it. Subscribe to Engineering Preetham for more such 3D printed related content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.